If you're interested in the Coursera Pre-Summer Deal 2026, here's everything you need to know about the current promotion and whether it's worth taking advantage of before summer begins. Before we get started, you'll find a discount link in the description below that gives access to the latest Coursera Plus offer, so you can check the current pricing and see if the promotion is still available. Right now, Coursera is offering one of its biggest discounts of the year. New subscribers can get the Coursera Plus annual plan for just $239 instead of the regular $399 price. That's a 40% savings and works out to less than $20 per month when billed annually. This limited time promotion is scheduled to end on July 13th, 2026, so it's designed to help learners build new skills before the second half of the year begins. With Coursera Plus, you get unlimited access to more than 10,000 courses, professional certificates, specializations, and hands-on projects from over 350 leading universities and companies. You can learn from organizations like Google, IBM, Microsoft, and Meta while exploring popular subjects such as AI, Python, data science, business, cybersecurity, and project management. One of the biggest advantages of the annual plan is unlimited certificates. Instead of paying separately for every program, you can complete multiple courses throughout the year under one subscription. Many learners find that taking several courses during the year quickly makes the annual subscription cheaper than buying programs individually. So, is the Coursera Pre-Summer Deal 2026 worth it? If you plan to complete multiple courses and earn several certificates, this is one of the best Coursera discounts available right now. Check the discount link in the description below to see the latest Coursera Plus offer before the promotion ends.